You would like to be as versatile as possible. Tree diagrams, Venn diagrams, and formulas are all helpful. Additionally, reading comprehension is vital to correctly assessing probability. One wise approach is to rephrase the wording of a question to an equivalent statement using the conjunctions and or. When selecting more than one thing, the word and implies multiplication, no longer intersection, and the word or always suggests addition. See how this can help in the marble setting. If two different marbles are selected, find the probability that both are the same color. We would rephrase the possibilities by saying, find the probability of getting blue and blue, or red and red, or green and green. How simple. And implies multiplication, or implies addition. In the case where a coin was tossed and then a die was rolled, find the probability of getting tails and then a prime number. This is the probability of getting tails and a 2, or tails and a 3, or tails and a 5. It should make sense that and implies multiplication. When we multiply two fractions that are both between 0 and 1, we end up with an even smaller fraction, an even smaller likelihood. This is reasonable because we are insisting that both events must happen one after the other. This is restrictive and less likely to occur. Or gives more possibilities, hence adding makes sense with the conjunction or. And when using a tree diagram, the probability of various paths and their outcomes should be added, because we can get tails and 2, or tails and 3, or tails and 5, but also because we should be able to add all outcomes to get a sum of 1. This is because the combination of all outcomes on a tree diagram account for 100% of what can happen.